Welcome, fantastic human. This free course will guide you through using Apple Calendar on the Mac. It is designed as a single screen app. Almost everything you need is right here, except for the occasional pop up window. The sidebar shows all your calendars from iCloud and other accounts. At the bottom, you'll find a mini calendar for quickly jumping between months. This is especially handy when you want a broader monthly view. Prefer a cleaner look? You can hide the sidebar for a minimalist setup. You'll also see an inbox here where all your calendar invites appear. We'll explore that later in this course. On the right side of the screen, you'll find 4 different calendar views. Each one offers a unique perspective, and you can switch between them depending on your needs. Again, this is something we'll dive deeper into a bit later, since they all bring something special to the table. Before you get the most out of your calendar, it's worth adjusting a few settings. You can choose which day your week begins, either just for the calendar, or use the option that's set across your whole Mac. Then you can define when your workday starts and ends. And lastly, decide how many hours to display. Limiting visible hours gives you more space to focus your active schedule in day and week views.